Hi friends, today I am going to talk about drilling machine. Drilling is a material removal or cutting process. In this, tool uses a drill bit to cut a hole of circular cross section in solid materials. Next, we see about main parts involved in the drilling machine. Some of the parts are base, column, arm, work table, drill head, feed mechanism, spindle, drill jigs, chuck, electric motor, pulley or gears. First, we see about base. It carries the entire weight of the spindle and it transfers the weight to the ground. The base of the spindle is generally made up of cast iron as it is rigid. Next, we see about column. Column is situated on one side of the base. In general, radial column is used for moving arm both in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Sliding table is mounted on the column for up and down motion. The column is made up of cast iron or steel as it is rigid to carry the load of the arm and drill head. Next we see about work table. Work table is generally made up of cast iron and it is mounted on the column. T-slots are provided at the top surface of the holding or T-slots are provided at the top surface for holding the workpiece. Nowadays, in some machines, the bench vise is also used. Vertical movement of the table is given by rack and pinion mechanism. Shape of the table can be rectangular or either circular. Next we see about drill head. A drill head at one side of the arm consists of various speed and driving mechanisms. Different types of speed can be generated by the cone pulley mechanism and the gear train mechanism. It is presented on the one side of the arm. Spindle. It is a circular taper shaft which helps to hold a drill chuck. It is made up of high carbon chromium steel or stainless steel or steel alloys. It transfers the rotary motion from the drill head to the drill chuck. The keyhole is provided in the spindle to change the drill chuck. Next we see about drill chuck. A chuck is mounted on the lower end of the spindle. It holds the drill chuck. Keyhole is provided to change the drill chuck. Drill chucks are generally self-centering. Drill machine usually use 3-jaw chuck and it is made up of special alloy steel. Next we see about electric motor. In a drilling machine, we use single phase AC motor which can run at an RPM of 600 to 5000 RPM or maybe more for heavy duty machines. Pulley and gears. It is used to transmit power and for getting different speed. In a drilling machine, we use bevel gear to transmit power at an angle of 90-degree angles. Next we see about the principle of working. The power is supplied from the motor. The process of power transmission takes place by the V belt and the power and the pulley of stacks which is located opposite to each other. This power is transmitted from the motor to the pulley and to the drill head by various mechanisms such as rack and pinion mechanism, gear train mechanism, cone pulley mechanism. The speed of the spindle is fixed or controlled with the help of these pulley stacks. The rotating edge of the drill head exerts a large force on the workpiece and the hole is generated. The removal of the metal in drilling is by shearing or extrusion. Next, we see about some applications of the drilling machine. Drilling machine is widely used in different industries including construction, medical equipment, transportation, and electronic equipment. Different kinds of drills are used in particular application that can construct holes in numerous sizes in various kinds of materials. Furthermore, the capability of the drilling machine can also be different because of the spindle speed, spindle nose, spindle travel, and electric motor used in this machine. Some of the now let me see some of the operations performed using the drilling machine. Underground mining, surface mining, drilling, counter boring, boring, counter sinking, spot facing, tapping, pre-planning, undercutting, roaming. Thank you.